And we're joined again by Matt Kovac, CEO of Food Industry Asia. Matt, we know that consumer trends and public opinions are really important in bringing new food and beverage products to market. So as the CEO of FIA, has it been very challenging trying to introduce alternative proteins to the market, particularly to consumers?
So the alternative proteins market is a very exciting space. A lot of companies getting involved with this, a lot of finance, a lot of investment. So what we have is plant-based and we have cultivated meat. Plant-based, pretty simple. You take vegetables, you process it, and turn it into new products. Cultivated meat is grown in a lab. What consumers want to know is that food healthy? Is it safe? And is it nutritious? And of course, is it at a price point that consumers can actually afford? And our role will be to work with industry and governments to ensure that we have the appropriate standards and regulations that will give consumers the faith that those products will do what they say they are going to do.
Of course, I agree. Keeping your industry membership up to date with some of the latest business sentiments and strategies is also vitally important for the role of FIA. What other interesting developments are in store for the rest of the year?
So we've got some exciting projects. There's three in particular, actually. So one will be our business survey. We're looking at across the whole of Southeast Asia, what companies, food manufacturers and beverage companies, ingredients companies, what they're feeling is the problems in the market, and those are quite clear around supply chains right now. But we want to take a pulse to be able to really understand what the problems and challenges are. We'll be launching that in August. And then we have another report that we've partnered with Oxford Economics on the economic contribution of the agri-food value chain. And that will show in 5 key markets in Southeast Asia how big the food and agri-industry is, how important it is, and how we need to work with governments to ensure that we have more sustainable supply chains going forward. And then there is one more as well that we've decided to do at the end of the year, and that will be a major piece of research on consumers across the whole of Asia Pacific of what their perceptions and opinions are on health and nutrition and on sustainability as well.
So lots in the pipeline. When will you be sharing the results of all this work?
So that will come out in the next couple of months, and then maybe towards November and December there'll be some more information released.
Sounds like it will be a very informative and interesting year ahead for the FIA. Thank you, Matt.